want to start this video off with a disclosure to say I am not a lawyer nor an attorney. I do not make the laws, I only abide by the laws. Therefore, do your own research before judging what I'm about to say in this video. The provided video is here for informational purposes only and is intended and should not be considered as legal advice for your particular matter. You should contact your attorney to obtain advice with respect to any particular issue or problem. I will leave a link in the description of this video so you can do your own due diligence. Thank you. Selling a home can be very frustrating to many people. You let strangers come into your home, invade your privacy looking around, and then they leave. So what do sellers do, or what would you do when you really want to know what's going on in your home while you're away during a showing? Well, I can tell you, this is 2020 and technology is constantly getting smarter by the day. Many homeowners have all these smart devices like baby monitors, smart cameras, and high-tech security systems, which will not only give a homeowner a visual, but also audio. There have been a number of cases that have emerged where sellers listen to potential buyers showing. Now, a lot of the time, it was to gain an advantage while in negotiations, while other times it was simply to stage the property better. So the question is, can a seller covertly record or monitor a buyer showing in Dallas, Texas? Texas law prohibits audio recordings or audio monitoring of conversations that you, the homeowner/seller, are not a part of. If the seller is not present and participating in the showing, he cannot record it. Even though the conversation happens inside the seller's home, he is still prohibited from recording any conversations that he is not a part of. Okay, interesting. So what does the law say? The rules in Texas, both Federal Electronic Communications Privacy Act, ECPA, and Section 16.02 of the Texas Penal Code prohibits audio recordings without the consent of at least one individual who is a part of the conversation. The Texas rule, commonly referred to as the one-party rule, requires at least one party to consent to recording conversations. What that rule allows is any individual to covertly and legally record his own conversations with a broker, neighbor, or other party. Now, if a seller is not present and participating in the showing, he cannot record audio, even if the conversations happens inside his home. So now, I know, you're probably wondering, what about video? Can I record video of them as they're wandering around my home? The ECPA does not prohibit video recordings as long as it isn't in an area where the individual will have a note keyword, reason of expectation of privacy, like in a bathroom. In addition, Texas, like many states, recognize several types of common law invasion of privacy claims. Invasion of privacy protects a person against unreasonable intrusion upon his seclusion, solitude, or private affairs. Even though recording may be in the seller's house, courts have found that a visiting party can have a valid claim when the homeowner overreaches. Just a little FYI, illegal recording is a felony offense in Texas, and anyone who has been recorded in the violation of the law can bring a civil suit to recover $10,000 for each occurrence, actual damages in excess of $10,000, punitive damages, attorney fees, and court costs. Buyers. These are a few tips from TR. Don't discuss confidential negotiations within the seller's home. Wait till you get outside and into your car away from the doorbell camera. Don't be overexcited about a particular feature you see in a residence. You know, you could be tipping off the seller, which will make for hard negotiations. Realize that most video recordings are legal. You and your client's body languages and gestures sometimes tells, a little more than you think. If talking on the telephone, make sure that the owner's neighbors can't overhear your conversations. Neighbors are a little more nosier than the actual owner. If you're really worried that someone is playing unfair, turn on the faucet. The audio tones from running water create white noise that makes voice tones and makes it difficult for microphones to do their job. Buyers, be smart. Sellers, be informed. My fellow realtors, be a fiduciary to your client and help your sellers avoid criminal or civil liability by encouraging them to concentrate on feedback given with consent and leave the mics and hidden cameras out. Hope this video gave you some much needed information. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.